news that Donald Trump's Director of National Intelligence John Ratcliffe has informed congressional lawmakers that he will no longer provide them with one-on-one briefings to discuss ongoing election security issues was met with outrage on Twitter on Saturday afternoon, with many speculating it is part of Donald Trump's plan to steal the election. Advertisement coming on the heels of Trump Postmaster General Louis DeJoy's attempts to interfere with mail-in voting by disrupting U.S. Post Office operations. Many claim the Trump administration is using every tool at its disposal to rig the election. You can see some comments below. This is scary. I feel the dictatorship creeping in more and more lately. I can't imagine what will happen if Trump wins another 4 years. I seriously believe it is the end of the United States of America. Monique Majors, at Monique_Majors, August 29, 2020. Well, here we go. The next phase in trying steal this election. New Century Meme, Ocean Wave, hashtag Proud Democrat Savage, at Sassy9374, August 29, 2020. Advertisement. Authoritarian rules, complicit GOP and the puppet oligarch have consolidated their powers. They will mock the few left in Congress who care. Barr will start arresting opposition leaders next. Sub, at JojoPapa32, August 29, 2020. They are stealing the election right before your very eyes. Corsair Bear, at Corsair Bear, August 29, 2020. Advertisement. The fix is in. Holy moly, they are really trying to steal this thing from us. Rainbow, Joshua R. at Sogelightfoot, August 29, 2020. Advertisement. Just over 2 months until the election. What a very strange time to cut off briefings. More Sky Please, at More Sky Please, August 29, 2020. Advertisement. The manufactured mail ballot crisis was to have people infiltrate the polls, and I believe they have a way of hacking polls now in better ways than 2016. Chase Manhattan, at Casinge7, August 29, 2020. Odney under Ratcliffe will do anything necessary to protect Trump, even if it means purposely avoiding to protect our elections from foreign interference. Colt Smith, at Football Expert, August 29, 2020. Advertisement. Trump and McConnell and Barr are behind this. Deborah Votes Blue, at Caspian 5690, August 29, 2020. They predicted that when he was in a corner Trump would do anything. We are seeing the tip of the iceberg. Sheila, at SAE New England, August 29, 2020. Advertisement. We're just gonna let him steal the election, aren't we? Wear a mask, at Megtassa, August 29, 2020. Enjoy good journalism. Then let us make a small request. The COVID crisis has cut advertising rates in half, and we need your help. Like you, we here at Raw Story believe in the power of progressive journalism. Raw Story readers power David K. Johnston's DC report, which we've expanded to keep watch in Washington. We've exposed billionaire tax evasion and uncovered White House efforts to poison our water. We've revealed financial scams that prey on veterans, and legal efforts to harm workers exploited by abusive bosses. And unlike other news outlets, we've decided to make our original content free. But we need your support to do what we do. Raw Story is independent, unbinged from corporate overlords. We fight to ensure no one is forgotten. We need your support in this difficult time. Every reader contribution, whatever the amount, makes a tremendous difference. Invest with us. Make a one-time contribution to Raw Story Investigates, or click here to become a subscriber. Thank you. Click to donate by check. Value Raw Story? Then let us make a small request. The COVID crisis has cut advertising rates in half, and we need your help. Like you, we believe in the power of progressive journalism, and we're investing in investigative reporting as other publications give it the axe. Raw Story readers power David K. Johnston's DC report, which we've expanded to keep watch in Washington. We've exposed billionaire tax evasion and uncovered White House efforts to poison our water. We've revealed financial scams that prey on veterans, and efforts to harm workers exploited by abusive bosses. We need your support to do what we do. Raw Story is independent. You won't find mainstream media bias here. Every reader contribution, whatever the amount, makes a tremendous difference. Invest with us in the future. Make a one-time contribution to Raw Story Investigates, or click here to become a subscriber. Thank you. Report typos and corrections to email protected. Let's block ads.
Show your love for him. Click the link in description. Thanks for watching.